Can't see them, but hope the wind's not too much, but water's high today from the wind. Listen to those geese. See, the water's up, and there's a channel over there, and the water's all up in the channel because of the wind. I know, you guys are probably tired of my water videos, but there's some people that like them. Dan's off work today, so we're out driving around again, and excuse me, we're looking for, seeing if the ducks and geese have hatched any babies yet. Sit here for a minute and let you guys listen to the wind and the sound of the water and the geese. It's cold, but it's peaceful. There's Dan. The water's clear up where you could park and fish. You can't fish when the water's high like this, even when it's calm, because you get snagged up. There they are.